purpose of this video is to explain the fundamental differences between a 53-foot refrigerated trailer and a 53-foot refrigerated container, and ultimately to provide the necessary information on the changes in the loading processes which are necessary to successfully load a 53-foot refrigerated container. 53-foot domestic intermodal containers differ from their trailer counterparts in that the container or box is attached to a chassis for road transit and freight loading. After loading and a short transit to the rail ramp, the container is then removed from the chassis at the origin rail ramp and then rides double stacked on the train for transit to the destination ramp across the country. Containers on chassis are heavier than trailers because of the structural needs required for double stacking and the chassis required for ground transit. Because of the increased weight and the more economical container mode, CR England has replaced all intermodal local tractors nationwide with specially designed lightweight day cabs. The weight difference between a typical trailer and the new 53-foot refrigerated container requires a different approach to loading to achieve legal axle weights, and the lightweight day cabs help offset the differences. Loading a container need not be any more time-consuming than loading a trailer, and we are confident that this information will confirm that in most cases loading a container can be easier and result in a more secure load. The first thing to remember is that with the lighter weight day cabs, most loads will be loaded focusing the weight to the front or nose of the container and away from the much heavier chassis tandems. A typical trailer loading process may be straight in and staggered, occasionally being single-spaced as there may be potential for overloading weight on the drive axles in a standard tractor-trailer configuration. However, with our lightweight day cab and container, it's often preferred on loads with over 20 pallet floor positions that the pallets are double pinwheeled or turned sideways to optimize forward weight. If unable to double pinwheel or turn pallets due to pallet overhang, then pinwheeling one pallet alternating is a secondary option. When shipping via the rail on either a container or a trailer, it is an AAR requirement that proper securement measures are taken. During its journey, normal transportation forces will shift an unsecured load or cause lading to exert excessive pressure against the nose, rear doors, or sidewalls. It's imperative that trailers or containers moving in rail service be loaded by the shipper in compliance with general rules in Circular 43D. Remember that we are here to assist with our state-of-the-art loading software, which allows us to create a loading diagram from pallet and product information received. This information would include specific weight, height, and pallet count. Upon receiving this information, we can submit diagrams in minutes for any load, whether it's comprised of one or many SKUs. This service is available at no charge, and our staff is available until loaders and dock personnel are comfortable with loading a 53-foot domestic refrigerated container. We also have several customers that take advantage of this service on every load to optimize their intermodal loading efficiency and ensure that every load leaves their dock legal. This service not only allows us to offer a practical loading specification, but also can provide valuable loading optimization advice. Securement is very important for rail transit, and end pallets must be secured using the provided e-tracking straps. At CR England, we are committed to leading the refrigerated transportation industry with the largest, most efficient, and cost-effective solution in North America. Our refrigerated containers offer the best value and provides much-needed capacity to the refrigerated transportation market. Thank you for your business, and please don't hesitate to contact a member of our staff should you have any questions.